Whoa! Hey everyone, so today I'm very excited because I just bought a new computer. So my old computer got very slow and I thought, hey, I'm in a new city, I have a new job, why don't I get a new computer? That way I could edit my videos faster and also program faster, like have my programs compile faster. On top of that, I just love the screen and the size of the new iMac 27-inch. So today I'm going to do an unboxing. I don't really watch unboxing videos and I don't really watch tech reviews. So this is just a very unprofessional unboxing. So the first step is I have to find my scissors. So the box is like not just like a rectangle, it's sort of, what are these called? Trapezoid. Okay, so the sides are trapezoids. Kind of cool. Oh shit. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Oh my god, it's so heavy. Alright, I'm gonna put down my scissors. Dang, I don't know how to... Maybe I'll tilt this first. Oh my god. Shit. There we go. Okay. So this is the actual box. I'm gonna open it up. Oh, I don't even need scissors. There's this little like tab thing that I'm just pulling and it just automatically comes out. One good thing about Apple is they have really good UX, which is user experience. Unboxing one of their products always feels really good. Okay, so this thing comes out again. I think this is the keyboard. Oh my gosh. Why is it tilting forward? Oh, move this here. Oh, okay. Wait. All right, maybe I take that back about Apple's UX. What the? How did? Oh, okay. Okay. Push these out. And there's like a cable in the back. I'm tired. I'm gonna lift this, push this off. There's nothing in there, right? Oh! Very professional unboxing video. And now for the final unveiling. Oops. Oh, so you go from the back. Okay. I'm not sure if I'm peeling this the right way. If there's a more efficient way to unbox this, I'm sorry. Cool. Wow, it's so big. Whoa. Bam. So there you have it. This is the new iMac 27-inch 2017 5K blah 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 blah, you know. I think this one was $17.99 on the Apple Store, and I bought it on Adorama and there was like $100 off. So that was $16.99, and then it was tax free. So I would recommend buying it on Adorama. And then online you can see that upgrading that RAM yourself is cheaper. So I just got I think like the lowest you can get is 8 gigabytes. So yeah, now I have to figure out how I'm gonna clean up all this stuff. Thanks for watching!